Hey everyone, welcome back to Seaport Mike's Automotive Repair. Welcome to another video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and like and share my channel if you would like. Thank you. So as you can see by the video, man, you already know what time it is. Dodge Charger RT, it's a 2013. Customer complained about check engine light was on the dash. So he said he already got it checked out, and only thing he had wanted me to do is replace the solenoid valves for the rocking arms up under this plenum. So that's why y'all see me got this ratchet on top of the plenum. It's 8mm bolts. Hold this on. Yeah, 8mm socket and ratchet on the cinching. 1/4 I'm using. Simply go around the perimeter of the housing of the intake. It's a plastic, so you want to not risk damaging anything. Just take your time and get all these bolts off. Well, not off, but loose, because in most vehicles the intake bolts they stay on the manifold. So get them all loose all the way around. As you can see, this one back here too. Get them all loose, and the only thing I had took off so far was the snorkel box, the breathing dock, with a flat blade screwdriver. That's a band on this side, and it's a band on this side. Simply take a flat tip screwdriver and remove that. Very easy. Pull back on this tab. Pull back on this tab on this the starter body. Pull back, and it'll slide right off like so. Same thing with these ejector harnesses. What you want to do is pull this tab back with a pick, look like a right angle pick, look like this. Get up under there carefully, pull right up, and it release the triggering safety tab. That's what they call them. So, and then you can simply push this little black tab in and pull straight out like so. As you can see, all the this the emission line. You can simply remove these with a pair of long needle pliers like these, the curved ones. I got these ones from Hopper Freight. As you can see, Pittsburgh right there. Very good tool. And what you want to do, you want to get this vacuum line off of this canister right here. I'll simply remove it, because all this coming with me, this whole intake. You can take this off if you want, but I'm gonna leave it on. I'm carrying it as a whole unit. So stay tuned for the next one.